how to fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can fix the Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Telegram. Over here, open the Hamster Kombat app. After that, tap on friends in the toolbar. Then on the invite friends screen, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the copy button. If it says failed to copy text, the next step is to tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Over here, tap on reload page. After that, go back to the friends section and try to copy the link again. If it still says failed to copy text, then close the Telegram app completely. Then reopen Telegram and open Hamster Kombat again. Over here, go back to the friends section and try to copy the link. This time it should say text copy. So that's how you can fix Hamster Kombat invite friends link not working. That's all for this video.